Welcome to Tea Time Fitness with Janice. Hi, I'm Janice Thornton with JT Fitness and Golf. Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today we have Carl Horn here today, who's the inventor of the TrueTurn Pro. We're going to talk about the 4 pillars of golf and how it relates to the joint function. So, Carl, let's talk about these 4 physical pillars. We've done other videos on this, and we want to go through. We've gone through forward flexion. We've got lateral flexion, internal hip rotation, and thoracic rotation. How does this correlate with how good a golfer potentially is?
So that is a very simple answer to that question is the best golfers in the world have the highest function in the world of golf specific joint function. So their joints, meaning that their spine, their hips, shoulders, their arms, legs, okay, their bodies function very, very highly. And so they're able to hit those positions and reproduce and repeat those positions throughout almost every golf swing. And so when mid handicappers, which is what we represent here in our mid function graph, and then low function, the high handicappers, the people who would love to increase their contact, would love to increase their ball speed, would love to lower their scores, right?
Typically.
It really, really correlates to how well you're able to use your body. Because the club can't swing itself.
Correct.
It just doesn't happen that way, right? So being able to utilize your golf specific joints and increase their function, which is easy to do, 5-10 minutes a day, right? Very specific exercises, covering these 4 pillars, right? We have forward flexion, internal hip rotation, lateral flexion, and thoracic rotation. These things build a golf swing, specifically. And without them, we compensate, we cheat in areas, errant golf shots take place, and we mark down those doubles and those triple bogeys when we don't want to, right? But if the body works, a good body creates good ball flight.
Well, the nice thing about this is with the TrueTurn Pro, you're able, like you said, to do 5 to 10 minutes a day of very specific exercises.
Simple exercises.
It's going to totally change these 4 pillars for you.
Absolutely.
Now, so yes, the exercises are simple. However, you can tell that you are doing something totally different versus just a squat, lunge, chest press, something like that.
And I'm glad you said that, because function isn't exactly the same as fitness. They're totally 2 different things. They lend to one another. Okay? I know some very fit people who really struggle at playing golf. And I know some people who aren't very fit who are really good at golf. Right? Because they have the function.
And that's what matters, but that's where the TrueTurn Pro comes in.
Yep.
It's going to give you the joint function that you are looking for.
Which encourages the fitness.
Absolutely. Well, Carl, thank you very much.
You're welcome.